Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about the best bed frames on Amazon. This comes to us from ZINUS. It's their SmartBase Compact Mattress Foundation with 14 inches high. It's got about 13 inches of clearance underneath the platform base, so that way you have plenty of room to store things underneath the bed. Really saves a lot of space and gives you maximum functionality. This is from ZINUS, and I love their company, you guys. They also make a lot of mattresses as well. So if you're in the market to upgrade your entire bed, mattress, everything, definitely check out the ZINUS store on Amazon. They are absolutely wonderful. Two things that really sets ZINUS apart to me. One is that they offer a 5-year warranty. Three things, I'll make it three things. One, they offer a 5-year warranty, so you know that they stand by their products and they're gonna be really built well, made to last. Two, ZINUS makes sure that everything is really easy to assemble. So many things that you can get on Amazon are kind of tricky to assemble, take a long time, and can be frustrating. ZINUS is not like that. They make sure, this comes to you in one box, flat packed. Everything is gonna be really clearly labeled. You're gonna have all the parts. It's gonna be simple to put together. This is gonna come together in well under an hour and just be really easy. Third thing, you guys, ZINUS has literally tens of thousands of 5-star reviews. They have a great reputation, so you know that if that many people are satisfied with their bed, you're gonna have a good experience, and you're backed by that warranty and Amazon's A to Z guarantee. So you just got all your bases covered. You know that this is gonna work for you. This bed, it's just your basic metal platform bed. No box spring required. Gonna match everything, go in any space. But I really think what sets this apart in particular is the multiple points of contact on the ground. This is crazy sturdy. This is going to have an upper weight limit of 1,500 pounds. So if you were looking for something that is just ultra durable, ultra sturdy, and really has a higher weight limit, then the next that I've even seen is 750, and most beds on Amazon are really around that 500 range. So if you are looking for something that is going to support more weight, this is a great option for you. 1,500 pounds is just incredible. So it really tells you how well made, sturdy, and what good materials this is made out of. It's just a great design. You guys, this is an awesome bed. Go ahead and put it in your cart. You're gonna be really happy you did.